Hey there, Gareth of Channel Profits here. Today I have two awesome faceless channel ideas in the storytime niche, which I think is massively undertapped. These are ridiculously easy channels to create. Most of the work is already done for you, as you can get your stories from Reddit or other free sources. Storytime niches don't get the biggest CPMs, but what they do get is volume. One of these channels is getting over 10 million views per month and up to $43,000 per month in ad revenue alone, which absolutely blows my mind, especially as they only upload twice per month. That's some serious passive income. As always, I'll link to the channels in the video description, along with free YouTube training if you would like to learn more about building channels for profit. The first channel is one that I think is a genius idea. It's called Am I the Jerk? This channel is made up of stories from Reddit. He takes these stories and creates a voiceover, which he then puts over a video game background with chunky subtitles in the middle of the video. I've actually created a video on how to do this, which I'll also link to in the description. Now, I never thought such a simple video format would work on YouTube. This guy has gained hundreds of thousands of subscribers in the last year alone. And although I wouldn't suggest using this video format for all channel types, I've tested it, it does work really well with stories. If the voice and the story is compelling, then you get hooked in. These types of stories really tap into your curiosity, especially as you know they are real. He also doesn't need to find new video topics, as he just keeps taking the best from Reddit, and there seems to be an endless supply. He currently has over 436,000 subscribers and could be generating over $12,000 per month in ad revenue alone. Not bad for videos you can make in under 20 minutes. It looks like he only focuses on ad revenue, as I can't find any affiliate links, products, or sponsorship in his videos. He does, however, have other channels, one which is even bigger, but gets far fewer views for some reason. This could have something to do with the stories being less compelling. He also has an I Am the Jerk podcast, so he could be making extra revenue from this. If I was to increase this channel's profit, I would perhaps consider affiliate links to a therapy company like BetterHelp, given that many of the stories are traumatic and people listening may be going through similar situations. You could say something like, if you're going through a story of your own and need help, then I'll put links in the description to where you can get additional support. But I believe having too many products or offers would damage the channel and the viewer's experience. So I would pick one thing that's congruent to the needs of the audience. The second channel is an absolute beast. It's called Mr. Nightmare. This channel has over 5.9 million subscribers with nearly 11 million views each month. Just insane. They are scary stories taken from real life or just from the internet, though I would imagine he also gets ideas from Reddit. They just use simple stock footage videos with a voiceover to bring their stories together. These types of videos are the cheapest to outsource if you're looking to add this to your YouTube automation portfolio. They are currently generating about $43,000 per month in ad revenue alone. That's over $600,000 per year. And they only upload 2 times per month. Just like the previous channel, I can find no other forms of income, though they do spread their content across multiple channels and platforms, so they will be generating extra revenue from that. If I was to increase this channel's profit, it would be with merch. They have a huge number of loyal fans and great branding, so I could easily see this increasing their bottom line with little extra work needed. Well, that's it for today's channel reviews. Let me know what you would like to see more of in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos. Until next time.